I'm going to show you how to make your shells shiny. Today we're going to be using a makeup brush and this can of clear glaze. It's from Michael's. It costs about $7, give or take. And so what I'm going to be demonstrating on today are moon snails. I just collected these about 2 weeks ago, and a few days ago I dipped them in muriatic acid and took off all the calcium. Now they are pretty dull. Moon snails are usually pretty shiny when they come out, but the muriatic acid helps really clean them up and gets rid of all the white. So what I'm doing now is just kind of dusting off any sand, and I laid them out so none of them are touching. And then once I'm done doing this, I'm just going to lightly spray them with this clear coat. And even though I cleaned these a few days ago, somehow they still managed to get a little sand on them. And they have, there we go. If you don't take it off, then when you go to spray, the spray is going to make the dirt attach. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I think they're all pretty dusted off. So now what you do, I already shook mine right before I started filming, so I don't need to do it too much. And I'm not spraying on anything. I'm in my back patio. I don't care about my bricks, but if you do, I would suggest doing it on some newspaper or some cardboard or something. So what I do is just I go over them thoroughly. Oh, perfect. And that's usually all I do. I don't flip them over and do the other side for these because usually when you do look at these type of snails, this is the side you're looking at. Now, maybe on the bigger ones, once they dry, you can flip them over and do that part, but it's not really necessary. This dries really quick. I usually just let these sit out and dry for 5 minutes outside, and then that's it. I put them away. So it's as simple as that.